Hello again, everyone. It's Patrick from Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa. 563-875-2409 or victoryfordonline.com. Hey, just wanted to get in touch with y'all. Hopefully you're doing well through these crazy times. Everybody's staying healthy, your family, you're checking on your friends and your elderly neighbors. We're all in this together. It just says right there, stronger together. And we're here. We've adjusted our hours. We've adjusted our staffing to meet the needs of both of our customers and the safety of our employees as well too. So we're doing things here to help everybody out as well. There's some great programs going on, still going through. We've got service specials you can check on our website or on our Facebook page. We've got push, pull, and drag sale for the first time ever is held over for another month. So if you know our push, pull, and drag sale, it's real easy. You get $1,500 minimum trade-in value on any used vehicle purchase over $4,000, and that can be a car, a truck, a motorcycle, a boat, you name it, just as long as it's currently titled and registered. Easiest sale we do all year, and it's also our most popular. Some of the other things we've got going on, our remaining 2019s, we've got 0% for 84-month financing, which is just crazy good for the consumer. We've got some programs. We have 6-month deferred payments. We have 3-month deferred payments. We've got other 0% financing options as well. Good example right here, 2020 Explorer, you can get 0% for 66 months, plus a $3,000 rebate, plus you can explore flex buy payment options, which front loads your payments for the first 36 months at a lower monthly payment, and then through the rest of the term, the payment goes up slightly. It's a great option for people to kind of step their payments up as time goes on. So once again, Patrick at Victory Ford, 563-875-2409. Just checking in on everybody. Again, our sincere hopes that you're doing well, you're staying healthy, you're checking on your family, your friends, your neighbors. We're all in this together. So see you soon. Bye.